So let's decorate. Here is my small tree here. And also I separated already, or I took already the things that, so I also have the battery, so I have to change. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Juby May here. To those who do not know me yet, let me introduce myself. I'm Juby May, a mom of two beautiful girls. I make cleaning, organization, cooking, and mommy vlogs. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button and the bell button so YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. On this video, I'm going to declutter this table in our hallway and decorate a little bit. I'm going to use this Pronto to wipe these decorations, and then I will keep them. This wood decoration is from Iran and the other two are from Uzbekistan. And now wiping our picture frame of me and my husband. Now I'm going to wipe all the things that are in there. And now I am wiping our family picture. And now I am wiping one of our wedding albums. And I am wiping down these legs of this table. Okay guys, so let's decorate. Here is my small tree here. And also I separated already, or I took already the things that, so I also have the battery, so I have to change this one guys because there's no battery anymore. Can you see? I turned it on and there's no light at all. So let's get started guys. Help me, help me. While I was decorating the tree, I found out that there is one ornament that is broken. I also found these beautiful gold bells and I'm going to add those on my Christmas tree. Sometimes the lightning is so crazy, as you can tell guys, because sometimes it's dark and sometimes it's bright. Now it's time to change the battery of my Christmas lights. now it's time to put the Christmas light on the Christmas tree. And now it's time to turn on that Christmas light. And yes, it was a success. Look at that. So cute. Christmas tree. So that is going to be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope this video gives you motivation or inspiration so you could decorate some parts of your house. And I also added this tray with Merry Christmas sign. Yes, guys, and yes. Hope to see you again, guys, with a new video. God bless.